Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eyeshadow look right here. You guys requested for me to do a tutorial on it, so here it is. I hope you guys like it, and let's go ahead and get started. So for today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. You guys know I love using this eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start off with applying this orange eyeshadow on my crease, and this is going as a transition color. Next, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called 10% Off, and I'm also applying this on my crease. And then I'm also going to be applying this eyeshadow called No Beans, and I'm applying this on the crease as well. As you could see, it made everything a little darker, and that's what I was going for. I forgot to mention the brushes I was using, but I did use the E2 by Colourpop, and I also used the T88 by the Makeup Shack, and right now I'm using the Morphe M441 brush. I did cut my crease, and I did use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Now I'm going to be applying those three eyeshadows I applied on my crease on the outer V of my eye, and I'm applying them exactly the same way I applied them on my crease. For the glitter, I'm going to be using this Jelly Pop Moonshot glitter by yesstyle, and I'm going to be applying this all over my entire eyelid. These are literally like the Colourpop Jelly Mud Shadows, and I love using these. They look super pretty and they're very pigmented, so yeah, highly recommend it. But now I'm going to be applying lashes, and these are in the style Instahoe, I believe, and they're by Baddie lashes. Moving on to primer, I'm going to be using this Coconut Face Milk by 438 Beauty, and I love using these as primers because they make my skin look so pretty and so soft, and also they smell really good. So I'm going to be applying this all over my entire face. I'm going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and you guys know I love this foundation, it's my favorite. And also by NARS, I will be using the creamy concealer in the color Custard, and I'm applying this on the areas I usually apply concealer. And yeah, I'm going to be blending this out with my beauty blender. I'm going to set my concealer using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but after that I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to be applying this Dragon Beauty face powder, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes, and this makes a huge difference. It brightens up my under eye, and I actually really love this product. If you guys don't know what Dragon Beauty is, it's by Nikita Dragon. I actually got this when I went to the BoxyCharm event, and ever since then I've been using it, and it does make a huge difference. I'm pretty sure you guys could tell, but yeah, I really like this product. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Bronze and Glow Face Palette by Charlotte Tilbury, and the blush I'm using is also by Charlotte Tilbury. To finish up this look, I'm going to be applying lipstick, and today I decided to do red. I never do red lipstick, so I said why not. You could also pair it with a nude lipstick and it'll look just as beautiful. But anyways, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video.